How to add HBL card to Apple Wallet. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's get into the video. First thing first, what you want to do is head over to the settings of a device. Once you are inside settings, scroll all the way down and then move into wallet. It will land you on this page. At the very top, you'll get to see the option of add card. You simply have to click on it. After that, you have to click on enter card details manually. It will then ask you to enter your HBL card details. After that, you just have to click on next and then click on continue. Once you click on continue, your HBL card will be added to your Apple Wallet and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can add HBL card to Apple Wallet. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. And if you have any queries, you can drop it down in the comment section below. We'll see you in the next one.